Good morning, students. See the pictures on your screen. So, I think you have understood the topic. This is picture composition. So, in the topic picture compositions, you have been given a picture and you have to describe the picture in 8 to 10 sentences. So, two pictures are there and it is very easy that you can explain the picture. So, let us see the first picture first of all. See, it is there and let us enlarge it. Okay. So you can say this is a picture of a room and there are many things. So you will describe all the things here. Two children are sitting on the floor and they both are making some drawing. One children is lying on the floor and the another is sitting on the floor. So I think one is boy and one is girl. Now one lady is also there. She is the mother of the children and mother is giving some instructions to the children that they should do the work like that. She is telling them something and the children are listening very attentively. Also we can describe the things that are in the room. There are many things in the room. Let us see them one by one. One almirah is there or one drawer is there. There are the things like ball, toys and books are there in the rack. One table is there and on the table a photo frame is there. Photos are there in the frame. Also a chair is there. Bed is there in the room. There are many clothes on the chair. The bed is very much neat and clean and a green cover is there on the bed. Also the children are making some painting, therefore the big charts are there and also the colors are there. They both are discussing with each other and they are sitting on the floor and a big carpet is also there on the floor on which they both are enjoying. The children are looking in a very happy mood and they are enjoying their work. So in this way we have to write at least 8 to 10 sentences that are describing the picture. Now see the next one. See one more picture. See. Now this picture is there. A boy or a girl. It is not very much clear. A child we can see. A child is on the bed and he is going to sleep. And before going to sleep he is reading a book. We can say he is reading a story book. The best friend of the boy, his dog, is sitting near with him. And the child is speaking the story and the dog is listening it very much carefully. Also, the remote of the computer game is lying on the bed. And another thing is also there, a square box is also there on the bed. The child is almost going to sleep because he has worn a big sheet of blue color. The bed is very much neat and clean and the color of the book is red. The book is of red cover and the child is reading the story and the dog is listening very attentively. So in this way we have spoken at least 10 to 15 lines about the picture and they are very much clear to you. So let us do some more pictures. One more picture I am showing to you so that you can do. See the picture on the top. This is the picture of a boat, and the boat is in the water, and the children are there. Two boys are there. See, the scenery is very much green, and they both are enjoying. Beautiful scenery is there. Green plants are there, water is there, boat is there, and they are sailing in the water. Now see the next picture. A boy and a man, you can see, an old man, you can see. They both are sitting under a tree and they are talking to each other. And they are talking. The old man is looking that he is telling some valuable things to the boy. Huts are there. Different colors are there of huts. Some are red, some are blue, some are purple. The trees are of green color. And a beautiful scenery is there in the picture. See, one more is there. That three boys are there and they are sitting on a table and chair and they are doing some work. See, many books and notebooks are in front of them and they are doing the work. The room is very much airy, you can see. The fresh air is coming from the window inside the room. Two boys are sitting and one is standing. Their clothes are also on the wall. One picture is also there on the wall. So it looked that all the children are very much busy in doing the work. So in this way, we have done 5 picture composition and you can revise them all. So it's bye for today. Your homework is that you will write at least 8 to 10 sentences on each picture. Bye students.